All right, so good evening and welcome to the first quarterfinal of the entertainment edition. And we have our four participants Achut, Gautam, Joshita, and Shamish. I'll just share my screen. All right, can you all see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just arrange this a bit. All right, so first off, it's the first quarterfinal and the same rules as what Aditya usually has. So participants shall not be allowed to use a virtual background. 10 marks are correct, 5 for second attempt, cyclic manner for the first 10 questions, and then we'll go in reverse alphabetical order. Humor-based answers are always encouraged, and so are wild guesses. And cameras should always be on. So are we ready to start? All right. So
Good.
first question for Achut. So who is this person? He was born in Cheshire, UK in June 1886. He died with somebody called Andrew Sandy Irvine in June 1924. His body was found in May 1999, and his life story was immortalized in Jeffrey Archer's novel called Paths of Glory. Achut, whenever you're ready.
Yeah. I'm thinking. You said he, right?
Yes, he.
Okay. Uh, Shackleton.
No, passing to Gotham.
I got no.
Okay, passing to Joshita.
I don't know either. Pass.
All right, passing to Shamish.
I don't know. I haven't read that book.
Okay, so this is the mount. This is the name of a mountaineer.
Mhm.
Okay, his body was found in 1999 at the summit of Mount Everest. So the clue here is he was considered to be a pioneering British mountain climber, and he's supposed to have reached the top, but because he never came back down alive, it's not considered to be a successful summit.
A successful climb. Okay,
Yeah,
got it.
so that's why Edmund Hillary is given the first darja. So, anyways, any guesses because of that?
So is it back to me?
Yes,
Is this George Mallory?
George.
Mallory.
Yes, it is George Mallory.
Yeah.
So 5 points to Achut. Okay, second question to Gautam. Okay, so the first word of this Hindi film is Dehradun. However, the sports commentator in the film mentions the place twice as Kodaikanal, which was the actual location of the film shooting. This movie had similarities with a Hollywood film called Breaking Away that released 13 years earlier than this film in 1979. The director of the Hindi film said that he was not inspired, denies that he was inspired from it. At the 30th Filmfare Awards in 1993, this movie had 8 nominations, but it won only Best Film. Okay, any guesses? Okay, Joshita?
Um. जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
Yes, it is Jo Jita Wahi Sikandar. 10 points to Joshita. We'll move on to the next question to Shamish. So, Shamish, this 2012 Hollywood film was shot at Wales, London, Jodhpur, Glasgow, New York, New Jersey, and the Heinz football field in Pittsburgh. The first 6 minutes of this film was shown almost 7 months before along with the release of the prints of Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol. A supposedly Moroccan Arabic term, Deshi Basara, was made famous in this film. Which movie are we talking about?
The Dark Knight Rises.
Yes,
I
it
don't know.
is. It is The Dark Knight Rises. Good guess. All right, we have Shamish also opening her account. Question number 4 is back to Achyut. Directed by Robert Alvarez, the protagonists of this show are called Chance Furlong and Jake Clausen. The villains are usually enforcers, masterminds, sorcerers, mutants, and robotic gangsters. Unfortunately, on account of extreme violence, this show was cancelled after 2 seasons and 25 episodes. Which show am I talking about?
This is Chance Furlong and Jake Clausen are T-Bone and Razor, right? So this is from
Yes.
SWAT Cats.
Correct. Correct answer. This is the SWAT Cats. That was actually going to be my hint if none would have gotten the first attempt. All right. From the world of cartoon, we go back to Hollywood. So this is for Gotham. This is the premise of this coming of age drama film. A grocery store clerk is caring for his morbidly obese mother, Bonnie, and his mentally impaired younger brother, Arnie, and 2 sisters in Iowa. His father hanged himself 17 years earlier, and he's at risk of losing his job due to a supermarket coming up in the neighborhood. Now, the actor playing the role of the younger brother was nominated for both the Academy and the Golden Globe Award for Best Actor in a Supporting Role. At 19, he was the 7th youngest to get such a nomination. So the mentally impaired younger brother was 19 at around 19. So this film, another clue I can give is this film released in the 90s.
Pass.
Okay, moving to Joshita.
Pass.
Okay, passing to Shamish.
I don't know.
All right, passing to Achut.
This is What's Eating Gilbert Grape,
Yes, it is what's
and
eating.
the 19-year-old is DiCaprio, right? So
Correct,
I think
yeah.
the first of the line of nominations he got without winning.
Yes, and this is the only movie which has Johnny Depp and DiCaprio together, as far as I
Yeah,
know. All right.
it's a nice movie.
Also, moving to back to Gotham. Gotham, I want you to fill in the blanks. The blanks. So, a person X would train in Germany due to appropriate facilities not being available in Zirakpur or Dehradun, where he hailed from and studied, respectively. He first represented India as a 15-year-old in the 1998 Commonwealth Games. The sports writer Rohit Brijnath co-authored X's autobiography titled A Shot at History, My Obsessive Journey to Dash Dash, which was released in 2011. I just want you to fill in the blanks.
So maybe because it's got something to do with sports, is it my obsessive journey to the Sydney Olympics? Maybe.
Do you want to kind of rephrase your answer?
It's got something to do with Olympics. I'm saying.
Yeah, you're close.
To the Olympics.
Okay, I'll kind of come back to you. Gautam, you're definitely getting part points. Joshita?
My obsessive history to Olympic gold.
Yes, this is Abhinav Bindra's autobiography. and it is Olympic gold. So I'll give 4 points to Gautam and 6 points to Joshita for getting the exact term. So yes, it is Abhinav Bindra's autobiography. All right. Next question will go to Shamish, as Joshita got more points on this one. So apart from being a very famous politician, this person is also a very prominent author. So who is this person, Shamish?
I don't know. When I know the answer, I'll probably regret not thinking through. But I'll pass.
Do you want to take a guess, maybe?
No.
Okay. Moving to Achyut.
Is this Rajagopalachari?
Yes, it is C. Rajagopalachari, plus 10 to Achyut. He was actually, I believe, the first Bharat Ratna of India, as well as he's written the prominent books of Ramayana and Mahabharat of the modern times. So yes, C. Rajagopalachari is correct. Moving back to Gautam for question number 8. So Friends is one of the most iconic TV shows of all time. However, alongside showcasing the journey of 6 friends, we're also treated to some unforgettable pets. So we had Yasmin the chick, Pat and Chichi the dogs, Mrs. Wilkerson the cat, amongst others. There's a monkey too in the first season, I believe, who was a pet of Ross Geller. What was his name?
Marcel.
Yes. Plus 10 to Gautam. It was Marcel the monkey. Well done. Moving to Joshita. Question number 9. Okay. The following are notable members of the same extended family in the same profession. The most famous of them has been blank. So there's Rodney Matthew Liati Joseph, Edward Smith Fatu, Solofa Fatu, dash dash, Samuel Fred, Afa, also known as Manu, Gary Albright, Jacob Fatu, Trinity McRae, Jonathan and Joshua Fatu, brothers, and Savelina Fenin.
Pass.
Okay. Passing to Shamish.
So when you say they're from the same extended family, are they related to each other or they just share the same profession?
They are related to each other, so they're like cousins of each other, second cousins, third cousins type, and they are
So that plus they have the same profession.
same profession.
I've never heard of them. Pass.
Oh. Okay, passing to Achyut.
Just because there's a few Fatus there, I am reminded of Rikishi Fatu from WWE. Is it by any chance Rikishi?
No, it is not Rikishi. I will have to go to Gautam.
Pass. No idea.
Okay, so the clue is okay. Achyut was kind of there, but this is the Fatu family. So
Oh, wow.
Rikishi is Solofa Fatu. So I'm talking about their
Oh.
family only. And this is an extended family of wrestlers from WWE. And the most famous in that particular family is blanked out. Their heritage can be traced to Samoa, the country. So, yeah. Joshita, whenever you want to take a guess. Joshita, whenever you want to take a guess. Yeah. All right.
I don't know at all.
Okay. Shamish.
I don't know.
Okay. Achyut.
If I can smell what he's cooking, Is this Dwayne Johnson?
Yes, this is Dwayne Johnson, who is also known as The
Oh.
Rock, and they are all part of the same wrestling family. So, Jonathan,
Ah,
yeah, so Samuel Fred is, I believe, Roman Reigns, who is a current prominent wrestler. So, yeah, they're all
oh,
part of
wow.
the same
Okay.
extended family. Awesome. Question number 10, before we go reverse order, is to Gotham. So, these are characters of a very popular author: Parker Pine, Miss Marple, Mysterious Mr. Quinn, Captain Arthur Hastings, Felicity Lemon, and Thomas Beresford. Which author would we be talking about?
Is this Agatha Christie?
Yes, it is Agatha Christie. 10 points to Gotham. All right, so we come to the end of the first half. I'll just quickly tell you all the scores. So Achyut is at 40, Gotham is at 24, Joshita is at 16, and Shamish is at 10. Okay, with that, we will reverse the order and start from Shamish and then Joshita, Gotham, and then Achyut. All right, question number 11, Shamish. This guy's name is actually Shitala Pandey. He was born and brought up in Banaras, Uttar Pradesh. After getting his Master of Commerce degree, he began to work as a bank officer at Central Bank of India. He left the job a few days after he left the job a few days after joining, realizing that bank was not his true calling. He then moved to Mumbai in 1980. He had a passion which he followed, and in the field of Bollywood, he is one of the few Guinness Book of World Record holder, a Guinness World Record holder. So, how do we better know him as?
Hmm.
Is he probably someone? Um, I don't know. Pass.
Okay, passing to Joshita.
Samir Anjan.
Yes, so he is the famous lyricist, lyrics by Samir Anjan. So I believe he has written over 2,500 songs for which he is credited as a lyricist. So that's why the Guinness Book of World Records. Anyways, moving to question number 12,
Very nice.
10 points to Joshita. Next question to Gotham. All right. So Dr. Mayim Bialik played the title character of the NBC sitcom Blossom from 1991 to 1995. She attended the University of California, Los Angeles, and achieved her bachelor's, master's, and PhD in a particular subject. She has been a guest host of Jeopardy and has been nominated 4 times for Primetime Emmy Award for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a comedy series that ended in 2019. I want you to tell me in which field she is a PhD in.
I'm pretty sure she did her PhD as well in neurobiology in real life.
Yeah, I will give it to you. It is neuroscience, and
Neuroscience.
she played a neuroscientist in The Big Bang Theory. So 10 points to Gotham. We now move to Achyut and question number 13. So the person who wrote this following dialogue or sentence in 1859, he also had 10 children. Though I hope this was not specifically for science. So he wrote all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. Which author are we talking about here?
Hmm. Hmm. Is this Darwin?
Yes, it is Darwin, and this statement refers to the theory of evolution.
Evolution.
Yep, it is Darwin plus 10 to Achut. And question number 14 to Shamish. So this is an excerpt of the bibliography of which popular author? So the elephant vanishes in the year 1993. After the quake in 2002, Blind Willow Sleeping Woman in 2006, Men Without Women in 2017, and a book this year called First Person Singular.
Sorry, is it a really famous author?
Yes.
I don't know, Lewis Carroll?
Could you repeat that, please?
Lewis Carroll?
No, not Lewis Carroll. Moving to Joshita.
Murakami.
Yes, this is
Oh, okay.
Murakami plus
Murakami.
10 to Joshita. Moving to the next question for Gautam. Okay, so 5 points for each of the options. So this is an exhaustive list. I want you to fill in the blanks. So Karan Arjun 1995, Dushman Duniya Ka 1996, Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega 2000, Hum Tumhare Hai Sanam 2002, Tube Light in 2017, Zero in 2018.
कुछ होता है and Om Shanti Om.
Yes, correct. Plus 10
Salman
to
Khan's.
what?
Salman and Shah Rukh.
Salman
and Shah Rukh, I guess.
Yes, Salman and Shah Rukh seen in these films together, and it is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and Om Shanti Om. Awesome. Next question to Achut. Question 16. So this TV series is based on the Roy family, who are owners of a media conglomerate. Love the smile on your face right now. But the children of the
I
plague,
just finished watching this like a week ago. Like
the children of the plagued with health uncertainty owner, played by Brian Cox, are fighting amongst each other for control of the company. It received critical acclaim, particularly for its writing, acting, musical score, and production values. The third season is set to premiere in October 2021. Name the TV series.
yeah, amazing series, Succession.
Yes, it is Succession. This is kind of the main poster of it. The person on the right in the blue shirt is actually Home Alone.
Kieran Culkin.
yes.
His brother.
His
Macaulay's younger brother.
Awesome. So yes, Succession is correct. And now we move to the last 4 questions of the quiz today. So question number 17 is for Shamish. So apart from the 7 books of the Harry Potter series, J.K. Rowling produced a 3-book hardcover edition titled The Hogwarts Library. The books were time and again mentioned in the original 7 books also. So fill in the blanks. The first book is Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, which also now has a movie. Dash, 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 dash. And the Tales of Beedle the Bard.
Deeply skipping my mind. I'll pass.
Okay, passing to Joshita.
I'm so happy I'm getting book questions. Quidditch Through the Ages.
Yes, this is Quidditch Through the Ages plus 10 to Joshita. This is part of the extended Harry Potter canon, as called the Hogwarts Library. All right, next question to Gautam. Okay, having won a national award for Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam in 99, after 3 years, this person went on to do the music for Devdas, which again was critically and commercially successful. After A.R. Rahman had to drop out of the 2005 Subhash Ghai directed film Kisna, The Warrior Poet, because he wanted to make the music for Lord of the Rings, this music director stepped in to complete the film, and the album received rave reviews. However, after this, there has not been any music album of note by him. And Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam was his kind of the debut album where he was music director. So it's basically like Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Devdas, and Kisna, and then nothing else. So who are we talking about?
So this is one guy, right? This
Yeah.
is not a duo. Or...
No, it's one guy. So yeah, no Sadiq Suleiman, no Jatin Lalit.
I'm just not able to recall it. Pass.
Okay, passing to Achyut.
Is this hope I'm remembering his name correctly. Ismail Darbar.
Yes, it is. It is Ismail Darbar. Plus
Yeah.
10 to Achyut. All right. So 1 second. Okay, yeah, this is Ismail Darbar, and there's not been any good music from him for the past 14 years now. Next question to Shamish. Question 19. So X will be acting in a film called Mayday alongside Amitabh Bachchan and Ajay Devgan, which is slated to release in 2022. X also has a diamond play button on account of the number of his subscribers on YouTube. His subscribers increased by 1.3 million in 24 hours, which is a record, after the release of one video. However, that video was taken down after 70 million views based on multiple complaints of harassment, cyberbullying, and use of abusive language. It was the most liked video from India and was on its way to becoming the most liked non-music video on YouTube. So I want you to tell me the artist and the video name.
I'm taking a guess at the artist. Is that Carrie Minati?
Yes, Carrie Minati is the artist. And do you want to guess on the video as well?
Is that a song video?
No, so it's written in the question that non-music.
non-music video. I have no clue.
Okay, no guesses?
No.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
For 3 points to Joshita.
Pass.
Okay, passing to Gautam.
So this was the TikTok roast video.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. So it was YouTube versus TikTok, the end.
YouTube versus TikTok.
Yeah, so 3 points to Gautam. And moving to the last question to Achyut. All right, so question number 20. One of the more popular TV series to have released in 2020 on Amazon Prime was created by Amritpal Bindra and Anand Tiwari, who has acted in Goga Gone, Udan, Aisha, amongst others. Principal shooting of the show was in Jodhpur and Bikaner. Shankar Ehsan Loy composed the music and background score. Due to the immense positive response, it has been renewed for a second season. Identify the show.
Poof, this is not coming to me. I'll pass. Sorry.
Okay, passing to Shamish.
That musical show. I didn't watch it. I don't remember it. Sorry.
Okay.
I'll take a guess though.
Okay, yeah, sure.
I'll take a guess because I'm not sure about the name. Panda. I'm not. I know that's not the answer.
Could you repeat your answer?
Tandav.
Panda. No.
Tandav.
No.
Tan-
No, not Tandav, not Tandav.
Yeah, that's not the
Okay.
answer. Yeah.
Moving to Joshita.
Bandish Bandits.
Yes, this is Bandish Bandits.
Then this.
And plus 10 for Joshita to finish off. All right, I will stop sharing my screen and let me just go over points very quickly. All right, so we don't need the tiebreaker here. So Shamish, on the first half, you had 10 points and second half, 7 points. Your cumulative is 17. In third place is Gautam. You had 24 in the first half and 23 in the second half. So you end up at 47. Joshita, you had 16 in the first half and 40 in the second half. So you end up with 56 points. And Achut had 40 in the first half and 30 in the second half. So you finish off at 70. So I congratulations to Achut and Gautam. Hopefully we'll see you in the week of 8th and 9th October. And thank you very much, Gautam and Shamish, for playing.
Thank you.
Thanks, Srinath. Great quiz.
Great quiz.
Loved it.
All right. See you guys next Saturday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.